I freaking forgot that Cole Bennett directed this. Lyrical Lemonade, right? What is it? Oh, it says Jennie. I am not ready. It's about to get hype in this bitch. I just can't believe Jennie and Doechii. ExtraL, bro. Jennie and Doechii, bitch. Fuck. That's great. I love Doechii, yo. She killed it at the Grammys. Now we got Jennie with Doechii. Oh. Exit. What the Yeah, they do. Yeah, they do.
All of my girls looking good and they got their own money.
Wait. Pop that shit. Wait, hold on. Pop yo.
All of my girls looking good and they got their own money. Pop your shit. This and my girls from the spot, so they got their own funding.
Hey.
Knock your shit. Run through your city, that motorcade. Soon as I enter, they close.
Go, Jennie.
Presidential through your residential, bitch is nothing. Said fuck your rules as I move them right.
She said what? She said fuck them rules. Fuck your rules, bitch.
Fuck it. It's just nothing. Said fuck your rules as I move them right. Walk in a room and I set the vibe.
Bet.
Make it last you long.
Jennie on that shit.
Whole team they gassing on us. You sit too far, I don't I'm charged, so even ask me who's in charge. Riding round, foreign cars, top down.
Yeah. Hey. She's so cute too when she dances, I'm not gonna lie. But okay, we on some baddie shit. Baddie shit. Attitude. Yeah. Ladies run this. Doechii. Wait, how'd she pop up? Wait. Let me pay attention. Doechii.
Gimme cheat, gimme purr, gimme meow, gimme her, gimme funds, gimme rights, gimme fight, gimme nerve, gimme cunt, let me serve.
Woo!
Let me out, let me in. Lock the doors down, got the keys to the Benz.
Oh my God. Oh, look at them. Iconic, bro. Ugh. Y'all don't understand. This Doechii and Jennie together. I would never think in my right mind this would happen. This is beautiful.
Boy, cause I'm not here for pleasing the men, not here to reason with them. Misbehave, mispush my pen. I can't tame my passion for him. Can't keep up what happened to them. Be lapping them in.
Not with the eye choreo. You see that?
Tame my passion for him. Can't keep up what happened to them. Be lapping them in.
Hey.
Money on stupid, hopped in a new whip. You still on my own.
Hey.
This might hurt. I sweat hard. Wet t-shirt. Extra large. Ain't scared of the dirt. Hit the jackpot.
All the pores? You see, we're going through his pores? What the hell is that?
Wet t-shirt. Extra large. Ain't scared of the dirt. Hit the jackpot. Now I'm riding foreign cars.
Hey. What's wrong with his scalp? Yeah, on his bald ass head. B. Hey. Woo. Damn, Doechii. This is kind of crazy. This whole shot. I don't know what this is. It's like her in the sand, freaking have like some of her like thighs missing, her stomach's missing, arms. She ain't scared of the dirt. Yeah, there's strobe lights too. Hey! Do they? Is it done for real? No, it's not done. What else is gonna be? Lyrical Lemonade presents Jennie ExtraL featuring Doechii. Cole Bennett, bro. Is there gonna be behind the scenes? Hey, shout out to everybody that worked on this. Fire. I'm gonna drink my little Baja Blast up in this beer. Damn, is this just all just like credits? Shout out to everybody though. God dang, they got a set medic and everything. Jennie on some different shit, bro. Whew. She got me hyped. Bald man, Brian Montanez. I don't know if I probably butchered your name. My bad. Them dancers 8. Lyrical Lemonade. Bruh, that's kind of crazy to see. One of the best music video directors out in the game, bro. Y'all don't even understand. Is that it? Dang, wait, hold up. We need to run that shit back. Run that shit back. Yeah. Yeah. Do my ladies run this? Ladies run this. Twerk on the beat.
All of my girls looking good and they got their own money.
Yeah.
Your shit. This and my girls from the spot, so they got their own funding.
Yeah.
I'm sipping on soju.
What? I mean, there you have it, y'all. There you have it. Doechii, Jennie. Do I have to say more? This is a crazy collaboration. When I saw the track list that dropped, Doechii and Jennie had me gagged. First of all, they had Childish Gambino and Kyle Uchis. Did I say her name right? Yeah, I think I did. But like, they have a song coming out. They have Dua Lipa coming in. Bro, Jennie's catalog in this album, I might have to cop like 30 times. Bro, all of the Blackpink members, bro. Rose, Lisa, Jisoo, Jennie. My God. And they're going on tour, bro. You know damn well I can't get those tickets. Them are going to be hard to get. There's only like 3 stops. Bruh. Damn. This is fire. I don't know about y'all. Put a comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Be sure to follow me on Patreon, because if this is blocked, then go to my Patreon. Because hey, sometimes I be blocking some itch and I'm like, oh man, come on. But hey, if this is on YouTube, I would rather just be on YouTube. But if it's a block, it'll be on Patreon. Either way, I do got a Patreon. Be sure to follow me on Twitch, Instagram, TikTok. You already know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.